All right, now one of the important concepts when trading and selling options are the days per expiration. So in this brokerage and any of the brokerages you'll see, you'll have the number of days available until an option expires. So here, let's just type in a new stock like Bank of America. So in Bank of America stock right now, the stock price is 34.09. And then we have the different days of expiration here. So if you're going to be selling an option with a pretty close expiration date, this will be 3 days from now on September 2nd. You're going to see in general that the premiums, that's how much money you receive, will be relatively low. And the reason for that is there's not much time left for this option to move in price a lot. If you go further out to say 52 days expiration, you're going to see a lot more in premiums, and that's because there's more time for this Bank of America stock to move either up or down. So since you have more time for it to possibly move, there's going to be a little bit more value in these options, and they're going to be worth a little bit more. So an example trade I might do with a short expiration, maybe look around 17 days out. I think that Bank of America will stay around $34 a share and not really go up or down a lot. So I might consider selling, say, the $32 cash secured put. In that case, you're going to take $32 times it by 100 or 100 shares, and that'll be $3,200. And then you would receive either 0.35 or 0.37. That'll be either $35 or $37. So let's just say you get the $35 in premium, right? Now, if you went even further out in days expiration, instead of 17 days, let's look at 52 days out at that same $32 strike price, you'll be receiving at least $100 in premium. Because again, there's more time for this Bank of America stock to possibly drop below that 32 and then make a bit of money if you're having to buy the put. So in general, the longer days expiration you have out, the more the premiums are worth. And we tend to want to sell options at least 30 to around 45 days to expiration in order to receive a good amount of income for the positions that we do.